Maraming salamat. You may now take your seats.
Pilipinas din, and I think they deserve a round of applause. Maraming salamat. Lagi rin si Gilas Pilipinas na patuloy na pagre-representa ng ating bayan in international competition. The PBA Draft Season 49, the team that will be making this first pick will be the Converge Tiger Hunters.
With the first pick in the 2024 PBA Draft, Converge Tiger Hunters select Justin Balthazar.
Justin Balthazar is the first overall pick of the PBA Draft Season 49. A standout from the Telesop Green Orchards program, now about to make his way into the PBA. Second overall pick to be made by the Blackwater Bosses.
Okay. Pick number 2, Blackwater Bosses, select Cedric Berfield.
Cedric Berfield will go to the Blackwater Bosses as the second overall pick. Born in San Jose, California, tracing the truth back to his homeland in the Philippines, and he will be entering the PBA as a member of the Blackwater Bosses. And the third overall pick of this draft will be made by Barangay Ginebra.
Barangay member picks RJ Alvarez.
RJ Alvarez will go to Barangay Ginebra. And as you know, RJ Alvarez will represent the country in the Jones Cup right now. But RJ will be represented by another of Barrientos, the Flying Game. Will be representing his nephew RJ. For next pick, the fourth overall pick of the PBA Draft Season 49 will be made by the Phoenix Fuel Masters.
For the fourth pick of the 2024 draft, the Phoenix Fuel Masters select Kyle Malone.
Out of the Academy of Louisville program, Kyle Malone will now be headed to the Phoenix Fuel Masters.
Northport Batang PX Select, Dave Ildefonso.
Dave Ildefonso also competing against the currently well-represented that serving yung pangalan ng Ildefonso and another member into the PBA. And the massive continues to grow in the Ildefonso. Congratulations and Dave Ildefonso head to the Northport Batang PX. The next pick of this first round, the 6th overall pick, belongs to the LX Road Warriors.
For the 6th pick, LX Select, Junel Alibaba.
The MVP of the recent draft combine now will be wearing a uniform, a jersey from the LX Road Warriors, Junel Alibaba, the 6th overall pick of this draft. Special moment like this, and we are about to give more special moments to the other draftees as we proceed to the 7th overall pick. This will be made by the Rain or Shine Vasco team.
For the 7th pick, Rain or Shine Vasco pick, Kaylan Johnson.
Kaylan Johnson. And the weapon that's going to be added to the Rain or Shine Vasco picture. Kaylan also in Taiwan currently. But of course, very excited then to be joining the Rain or Shine Vasco picture. Fellas and ladies, we'll be going to the Rain or Shine Vasco papers.
Felix Alexander Lameti, naglaro sa Sweden, under 18 and under 20 FIBA Youth Squads nila. He will be bringing his talents down the Rain or Shine back again.
Ulat rin yan, dahil siyempre scouting ang ginagawa niya. Second Swedish guy, remember, this guy was playing with Terraformance and PSA. So definitely, marami na kasi malaki rin ang Rain or Shine with the big life.
And now, we are ready to proceed to the 9th pick of the first round. This will be made by the Magnolia Hot Shots.
The 9th pick, Magnolia Chicken Tentadas Hot Shots, select Jerome Espinosa.
Magnolia Chicken Tentadas 11th pick of the first round is the Penafiel Chiefs.
For the 10th pick, the Penafiel Chiefs select
Mark Noy! Nakilala as a member of USCSL Southtown, will be going to the Penafiel Chiefs. Overall pick, and this will be made by the recently crowned Philippine Cup champions of alcohol.
With the 11th pick, the Meralco Vault select CJ Cagastino.
But of course, it also has to come in voters to be able to help them in the PBA. Proud of smoking.
Now to wrap up our first round, the PBA Draft Season 49, making the 12th overall pick is the San Miguel Beer.
For the 12th and last pick of the first round, San Miguel Beerman picks Evan Nava.